Hello and welcome. Today, I am going to show how you can incorporate an external MIDI device with your Maschine workflow. I will be using the Mio. The Mio is a MIDI interface that has traditional MIDI plugs on one end and a USB on the other end. This powerful device allows you to connect older MIDI gear straight to your computer. See links in the description for updated models. Pay close attention to the end connectors. The black color will be connected to the in, and the white color will be connected to the out. Black in, white out. For this example, I am using the Roland FA76. Because MIDI is data and not audio, we will need a way to get the audio into the computer. I will be using a SPDIF cable running from the back of my keyboard to the input on my audio interface. Also, on your external device, be sure that the local switch is turned to the off position. Now, let's set up the keyboard to receive MIDI clock. The MIDI sync should be set to slave. Open Machine's preferences. Click on the MIDI tab. For mode, choose Send Clock. Maschine will now send a MIDI clock signal to your external MIDI device. When I press play inside a Maschine, the FA76 will begin playing as well. Let's now set Machine's clock to receive. Remember to set your external device back to master. Now let me show you how we can record MIDI data from the keyboard into Maschine. Set Machine's clock back to send and your external device back to slave MIDI. Now let's route the data in Maschine. Make sure you are on the Output tab, then select MIDI. Change the channel to the corresponding track on your external device. I am using 10, 2, 8, 14, and 15. Use Shift to select multi-sound slots and change the destination to the name of your interface. Again, mine is Mio. Switch over to the Input tab and be sure that you are looking under MIDI. Set your source. I will also route the channel to the corresponding channel selected in the Output tab. It always helps to name them as well. Notice, I switched the through to the left position. To monitor your audio, use an empty sound slot. I will use sound 6 and name it to input. Switch over to your mixer view. On the far left, press the I/O button to show or hide I/O. My SPDIF is currently connected to input 1 and 2 on my interface and is routed into Maschine. Now, you will notice each sound slot is playing each track. Press record button and play, and Maschine will now record your data. Once data is recorded in Maschine, remember to turn off the Send Data back in Preferences. Now, Maschine is playing back recorded data, and you can now use Maschine to further sequence or use to layer sounds. If you have any questions, drop your comments down below. For more content like this, press the like button, share, and subscribe.